today's world, businesses operate in real time. But your inventory data doesn't. RF Controls changes that. Most operations still rely on manual scans and barcode checkpoints. That means inventory is only accurate at one moment in time, and often wrong within hours. Missed scans, human error, and time-consuming cycle counts cost companies millions. RF Controls brings true real-time item intelligence using overhead antennas. These advanced readers track passive UHF RFID tags automatically. No portals, no handhelds, no line of sight. You get real-time visibility of every item, down to a couple of feet. RF Controls uses steerable phased array antennas to locate and track each tag in three-dimensional space. The system identifies movement, direction, dwell time, and exact location. And the data flows directly into your WMS, ERP, MES, or automation platform. In warehouses, RF Controls enables automated cycle counts, reduces labor, and improves pick accuracy. In manufacturing, you get real-time visibility of components, WIP, and finished goods. And in retail, it powers accurate omnichannel fulfillment and real-time inventory. Customers achieve 99% plus inventory accuracy, major labor savings, and ROI typically within 9 to 12 months. It's automation you can deploy today, without robotics and without changing how people work. For system integrators and channel partners, RF Controls is a high-value solution that drives digital transformation. With training, support, and turnkey integration, it's easy to add RF Controls to your portfolio. RF Controls turns every warehouse, factory, and retail space into a real-time intelligent environment. The future of inventory visibility is here. And it's overhead.